This is the story of the three little woodpeckers, Knothead, Splinter, and Woody. Knothead lived in a tree of straw, most unstable thing you ever saw. Splinter's house was made of wood, as anyone knows any tree should. Woody's house, it cannot be denied, was safest of all. It was petrified. Now there's the wolf, who was cagey and sly, always in search of a woodpecker pie.
Yeah, that's what I want, a woodpecker pie, and I'm gonna get me one. Now I will show you how easy I can catch a woodpecker.
The wolf!
The killer wolf!
Killer wolf!
Open up, woodpecker! By the hair of my chinny chin chin, I will huff and I will puff and I'll blow your house in.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, but you're huffing and you're puffing and you're puffing and you're huffing. Who'll never hurt me.
Oh, yeah? Well, I will show you. You are in the wrong picture, pigs. Get out of here. No woodpecker is going to outsmart me. Telegram for Knothead Woodpecker. Telegram! That was a stupid thing to do. Yow!
The wolf! The wolf! Killer wolf! Killer wolf! Open the door, Splinter! Open!
Open up, woodpeckers! Let me in or I will huff and puff and blow your house in!
Sticks and stones may break my bones,
But you're huffing and you're puffing and you're puffing and you're huffing.
will never hurt me.
I will show you. Hit the road, pigs! This is a woodpecker picture!
Who is it?
It's Santa Claus!
Oh, goody! Santa's here. Come down the chimney, Santa Claus.
Here I come, kitties! That was a stupid thing to do.
The wolf! Wolf! Up come Woody! Open the door! Killer wolf! He's after us!
Relax. Uncle Woody will take care of him.
Open up, woodpeckers! By the hair of my chinny chin chin, I will huff, and I will puff, and I will blow.
Sticks and stones may break my bones,
But you're huffing
and you're puffing.
and you're puffing.
You're huffing and puffing, you're puffing and huffing, you're huffing and puffing. You're
Oh,
huffing and
shut
puffing,
up.
You're huffing and puffing, will never hurt me.
I am an Easter bunny.
Who is it?
The Easter bunny. I brought you an Easter egg.
Oh, thanks. Here's a present for you.
Yeah, much obliged. That was a stupid thing to do. Woodpeckers, your goose is cooked.
Did you knock?
Yeah, I want a woodpecker pie.
A woodpecker pie? Why didn't you say so? Dig in.